Hi, good afternoon. I'm Katie Kemper with slyfoxfabrics, and we're here today to do our thing. We don't have any new fabric, but we do have new bundles, and we also have some pattern giveaways and bundle sale, and we're going to give a bundle away and talk about restocks and what's coming up. Yeah. And do you see it on there yet? Okay, because this camera's, something's going on with this. Make sure that you can hear me. Turn your sound on. Yeah, you can hear me okay? Okay. All right, just want to make sure we don't have a repeat of the problems we did a couple weeks ago. Okay, so we'll still have a giveaway today, so in order to participate, all you have to do is comment on this video and we'll choose a winner from the comments. You can comment, of course, as many times as you like. A comment is an entry. Feel free to enter as many times as you like. Also, we are giving away, we'll have 3 winners. They'll each get a free pattern from Love Notions. They're our sponsor today. And we have 6 bundles to show you, and we are doing a 15% off bundle sale for those bundles, and you just use bundle 15, all caps, one word, to save 15% off bundles. All right, so coming up next week, we're having a mini capsule blog tour. We put together 6 or 7 mini capsule ideas with fabric, just to show you what you can do with different fabrics and kind of guide you along with how to choose them, so you can take your existing wardrobe and build it out with a few extra pieces and have yourself a mini capsule. So it's easier to get ready in the morning. And also, one of our bloggers will be featuring a children's mini capsule as well. So you can think about getting your kids all organized. So that's coming up next week. So it'll be a blog tour, which will be on our website, and you'll see more coming up in the next several days on that. Restocks. So right now, I just restocked this morning. We did have some extra crocodile foil ponte left over from the pre-order. So we had all 4 colors, navy, wine, brown, and taupe. And I have examples here for anybody who's new and wasn't aware of these fabrics. These are, here's the taupe and the wine. I don't have examples of the navy or brown, but they're on the website. And it's just a ponte with a foil print and a crocodile style. So those are restocked.
The foil doesn't mean that it's shiny.
Oh yeah, the foil doesn't mean it's shiny. It's just that's how they laid down the foil. Just gives it the texture, that crocodile print texture. And then also we did have the dark blue ash and the natural ash. We had extra of that available as well. So those are back in stock. And, jiggling you guys, sorry. Coming up, we just got a nice shipment today. We have another shipment coming in next week with lots of fun fabrics. So we'll have new prints for single and double brush poly. We'll have some popular restock prints as well. We're getting in some tri-blend florals to go with the solids. Also, we have new swim knit coming. We have more heavy ponte coming, ran spandex prints and stripes coming, and a couple new cotton spandex solid colors. So those will be coming in the next few weeks.
They all love your top and they want to know what pattern it is. Don't ask me. You know?
Sarah might remember.
I think it's the Carol.
So my top, this is, Mary Beth made this for me last spring. We actually had bundles for this. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at the back. It's got that, it has lace over, I think it's peach double brush poly solid. And then this is, I think we called it majestic double brush poly. And you think it's the Carol by who? She doesn't remember what pattern she used.
I'm trying to look it up real quick. We should have talked about that.
Yeah, I guess so. I haven't worn this because of the short sleeves, of course. Schwinn? The
Schwinn
Carol by
Designs is
Schwinn?
the Carol Key. Mhm.
Okay, it's Schwinn, Carol.
Ooh, I still got it.
I picked it based on the weather, so because it's spring today here. Who knows what'll be this weekend, but today it's spring. So so let's talk about our pattern sponsor, which is not Schwinn, it's Love Notions.
Yeah.
So Love Notions, the pattern we're featuring with them today is the title tank and dress, and in the picture she's got the maxi dress length on. And Love Notions has a pattern on Fridays called their Feature Friday pattern. They sell it for $5. And this Friday, their Feature Friday pattern is a secret, so I can't tell you what it is, but I know, haha. And it'll be $5, not just on Friday, but from Friday to Monday. And then it's a special pattern, so they're having a special guest blogger this week for it. She's one of my favorite bloggers.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love
That's
her
her name
blog.
like that?
Do you write blogs?
No.
Oh, then no, her name's not Mary Beth. So I'm not sure if it's a secret who's guest blogging, so I'm not going to say. I'm just going to say she's one of my favorite, and I'm excited. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. So make sure that on the 19th of this Friday, you go to lovenotions.com and check out their blog, check out their Feature Friday pattern, and you're going to want to grab it for $5 because that's a great deal. So in the spirit of our pattern sponsor and the featured pattern, the title tank and dress, we created some bundles to go with that theme. So we have 6 new 4-yard bundles. It's a 2 and 2, 2 yards plus 2 yards, and so that you could create the title tank top, dress, knee-length dress, maxi dress. They also have it, the same pattern for girls. You can do mommy and me. So we figured 4 yards is enough to make a maxi, the maxi version, or 2 tank tops. You could make 1 tank with 1 fabric on the inside and the next with the fabric on the outside. It's enough to make a tank and a knee-length dress, and it's enough to make a mommy and me set.
Cute.
So I think it's a great deal. Plus, $6.99 shipping, flat rate shipping for all orders any size that are shipping within the U.S. And that includes, by the way, Hawaii, Alaska, APOs, and territories that all get the USPS shipment to them. Okay, so the first bundle I'll show you is the rayon spandex bundle, and it's this Aztec rayon spandex, and 2 yards of that, along with 2 yards of the black and white dots in rayon spandex, not to be confused with the black and white dots in double rush poly. So I tried to get the picture with the fabrics kind of lining up so that you could get an idea of what the one fabric would look like with the other fabric. I don't know, having a little trouble here on the side. So, but this would make a great summer tank. And I was going to try and whip one of those maxi dresses up to wear today. I just ran out of time. But my thought was, because I like the short long sleeves, the 3/4 sleeves, but the ones that just go
to your elbow,
right over top of your elbow. I was going to do that. I was going to put those sleeves on there and then wear it for Easter, but
tell them that is coral on the Aztec.
Yeah, that is coral on the Aztec.
Actually, it's called Aztec coral.
It's called Aztec coral. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, and you see the code there for bundle 15 to save 15. And then my favorite stripes. I love these stripes. And of course, you can buy these bundles. You don't have to use them for a title tank because they are a great deal. But that's just the theme we wrapped around them today. This is the burgundy, the triple stripe. So it's burgundy, black, and ivory. And it goes perfect, matches perfectly with the marsala.
Cute.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then we have the same bundle in mauve. So mauve, black, and ivory, along with dark mauve. I love the stripes. I don't know if I use the stripes, I don't know if I would put the stripes on the side or on the front panel.
I don't know.
I don't know either. People worry that stripes are not thinning,
Oh,
that they're
widening.
like they're widening and stuff, but I think it really depends on how you use them, the size of the stripes, and whether or not they're going vertical or horizontal, and that all depends on how you're using them as well.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I looked it up once, and there was studies done on it, like actual studies done on, do stripes make you look bigger? It was interesting. Okay, let's see what our next bundle is. Oh, the Glory Days bundle. Now this one is really perfect for the upcoming season of Memorial Day, 4th of July, all of those, Celebrate America holidays. Because you have your red, white, and blue. It's navy, ivory, and red. So I think that's really cute. That would be very eye-catching.
So I would do my top with the flowers on the front and the kids' top with the flowers on the outside.
Yeah,
that'd be super
that
cute
would be cute to
be coordinating,
do the
but
opposite.
not totally matching. Yeah.
Okay, the next one is Paradise and Ivory, and the ivory with black dots.
That's cute.
It's pretty cute. It's a nice, fresh-looking bundle. And then the last one is Samba and Rio. Lots of fun. And Chris Shapiro made a dress. Was it a top or a dress or a tunic? Might have been a tunic top, but I don't remember if it was the title tank or not, but it had panels on the side. She did the panels in solid black, and then she did the middle part in the Samba. It was really cute. And then the black and ivory double brush poly, the small dots. So those are our 6 bundles. Don't forget to comment so that you could win a bundle, and it would be a bundle of our choice.
Surprise!
Surprise! And also a chance to win one of those 3 free patterns from Love Notions. So is there any other questions? Because that was the end of my...
that was fast and furious.
That was very
today.
fast. We'll have a new reveal next week with new fabrics. But it might be on Thursday instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think for the next 2 weeks, the reveals are going to be on Tuesday or Thursday. We have to move them because I'll be out of the office all day on those two days. Everything happens on Wednesdays.
Yeah, man.
We get our shipments on Wednesdays. If there's something to do, it's always on a Wednesday. Don't they know my schedule?
I guess not.
Okay, so we'll have new fabrics, but this week we have the fun bundles. We have the Restocks on the Ponte, and as we work through the fabric that just came in today, the stuff that is restocked, we'll get that in as well. What?
Nothing. I'm confused about something.
Oh, okay.
No, there was no more questions.
Okay. All right. So look for the mini blog to start on Monday. Beth Darrow wrote a really great opener, so that'll go up on Monday along with the first day's live blog. So you'll want to catch that. All right. It was great to see you here, and we'll see you next week.